Good morning, everybody. This is Similar Figures Quiz 1. Okay, so I'm going to go over the answers. Mark's favorite tree is a large oak tree in his front yard. Mark wants to know how tall the tree is. At the same time of the day, he measured the length of his shadow and the length of the shadow of the tree. Mark is 5 feet tall. So here's Mark. And he casts a 10-foot shadow. And the tree shadow is 140 feet. So we're trying to figure out how tall the tree is. So there's two similar triangles here. So one proportion we could do, if this is the height here, then this is also the height here. Purple I can have as the shadow. So I can set up this proportion. 5 over 10 is equal to, this is what I'm trying to find, x over 140. So we've got 10x, multiply these, and then cross multiply these. 5 times 140. So 5 times 140 is going to be 700 is equal to 10x. I'm sorry, I'm not doing this on the screen. Now I divide both sides by 10, and x is equal to 70. So the answer here is B, or I'm sorry, it's probably going to be B on your Scantron, but G, 70 feet. Okay, rectangle MNPQ is similar to rectangle RSTU. What is the ratio of NP to ST in simplest terms? So if this rectangle here, well, if this side here is 12 and this is 4, I know that the ratio of everything in this triangle is going to be 12 to 4, which can also be written just like this. So I think it might be this answer right here, 12 to 4. But let's simplify it in simplest terms. 12 to 4 reduces to 6 to 2, reduces to 3 to 1, and eventually reduces to just 3. So the ratio is going to be D, 3. Okay. This triangle here, I always just like to break them up into the two triangles. So I have one triangle right here. That's the small one, and then the big one right here. So in the small one, I know that this is 5, this is 3, and this is 4. In the big one, we're trying to solve for the length of LP, so I'll have that as x. I don't know this length, I only know part of it, but I do know this. It's going to be 5 plus 3. So, maybe I can have the bases as orange, and the heights as purple, and this is just extra information, this 4. So I can set up a proportion like this. 3 over 5 is equal to x over 8. Now cross multiply and divide. So 3 times 8 is 24, which is equal to 5x. I'm just going to come up here. We're running out of room. So 24 is equal to 5x. Divide by 5 on both sides. And x is going to be equal to 24 divided by 5, which is going to be 4.8. So with these, I would suggest draw the two triangles and then set up your proportion and solve for x. Last problem. Triangles ABC and DEF are similar. If the ratio of AC to DF is 4 to 5, oh, well, I already did it. I meant to leave these blank, darn. Find the length of AB, x. So let's draw. This side's going to be orange. Then what's the corresponding side? What'll be? Well, it will be this one. And the purple are those ones. These are useless. We're not going to use these. we can set up the proportions as follows. X over 4, orange over purple, and then orange over purple, 4 over 5. All right, once we got this proportion, we'll cross multiply and solve for x. So here it's 5 times x is equal to 4 times 4, which is 5x is equal to 16. Now I divide both sides by 5, which gives me x is equal to 3.2. 3.2. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. That's similar figures for you.